Think skipping a few nights of good sleep isn't a big deal? A brand new study just found that 3 nights, yes, just 3, of poor sleep can start damaging your heart. And the scary part? You might not even feel it happening. We all know sleep is important. But what does it actually do for your heart? When you sleep, your heart rate slows, blood pressure drops, and your body repairs itself. Poor sleep throws that balance off, keeping your heart working overtime. That's why long-term poor sleep is linked to hypertension, heart disease, stroke, and even sudden cardiac events. In a 2024 clinical study, researchers tracked healthy adults who experienced just 3 consecutive nights of restricted sleep, about 4 to 5 hours per night. They didn't just feel tired, they showed real biological signs of cardiovascular stress. Markers of vascular inflammation went up. Endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax, went down. These are early warning signs of long-term heart damage. Here's why this matters. Most of us chalk up a few late nights as harmless, but this study shows that damage can start almost immediately, even in people who are otherwise young and healthy. And repeated cycles of short sleep, whether from work, stress, or late-night Netflix binges, could be slowly wearing down your heart. Poor sleep doesn't just affect your mood, it triggers the release of stress hormones like cortisol, raises inflammatory cytokines, and reduces your body's ability to regulate blood pressure. It creates a perfect storm inside your arteries. You might not feel it immediately, but over time it sets the stage for chronic heart disease. The good news? The damage isn't irreversible. In the same study, sleep recovery helped restore some function, especially if you catch it early. Think of sleep as a vital organ. You wouldn't go 3 days without water. Don't go 3 nights without rest. 3 nights. That's all it takes for your heart to start sounding the alarm. So, if you're chasing deadlines, gaming late, or binging shows, remember your heart's still working. Give it the rest it deserves. Are you sleeping enough? What's keeping you up at night? Drop a comment, like the video if this opened your eyes, and subscribe for more science-backed health explainers. Sleep well, and we'll see you in the next episode.